This all started early in the year. I had found a lump in my throat when I was shaving, and at the time I had a cold, and so went to my primary physician, and he put me on antibiotics, thinking that it was just a swollen gland that came with the cold, and said it didn't go away in 3 or 4 weeks to come back. And so my cold went away, but the lump didn't, and so I went back to him, and he referred me to an ENT specialist, who I subsequently saw, and that ENT doctor wanted to go in and do surgery right away, and so my wife and I talked about it and decided to get a second opinion, and so we did, and visited Dr. George Pezos, who did a biopsy first. I came back a week later and gave me the prognosis of cancer in my lymph nodes, and that afternoon said, this will work out great. I already have an appointment for you at Mount Sinai Hospital. If there's any place that you want to be, it's here to do this kind of work. There are specialists in head and neck cancer. And so that next morning I arrived in Mount Sinai. They explained the process and how it would work, and what I might look forward to. And we began with surgery first, and subsequent to my surgery, went through a 7-week radiation treatment, and I'm now finished my radiation now for several months, and it's been nothing but a great experience for me.
We want the patient to be able to heal as fast as possible from the surgical treatment so that they can then get the radiation delivered as soon as possible. So big wound complications from healing can delay therapy, and that's not good. And so the more minimally invasive surgeries that we can perform now help you heal quicker. And secondly is that the function is better because you're not using a lot of procedures like cutting nerves or blood vessels to get to the cancer, which is unnecessary when you're using minimally invasive technology. And I don't know how long it took you to heal from your surgery, about 3 or 4 weeks, but you were in
Right.
radiation relatively quickly after surgery, which historically it was a lot longer recovery.
Well, I learned that life throws you a curveball every once in a while, and it was nice to come to Mount Sinai and meet with Dr. Miles and the rest of the staff here, because they made me feel like it was going to be okay, that there was a path forward, that we would work through together.